Yeah, same thing, bukan?
Then?
Okay, sure, bukan. Okay. Bye-bye. Baby, hi. Why are you? Where's Indan? All right?
Nungu, who's the guy that was sleeping here while I was away?
Guy. I know.
Hey, don't make me ask you again. Okay? This. Whose jacket is this? Huh? Definitely not mine. Who the fuck was sleeping here while I was away?
Ijaketi ka ize nobali. Ndicinga ikamalume wakho.
Oh. So it belongs to my uncle. Oh. I'm so sorry for the way I just reacted. Come here. You look uncomfortable. Come on. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for thinking that you might be having an affair when I was not around. I should have trusted you. I know you wouldn't do anything that will hurt my feelings, right?
Of course.
Great. Same here. I have something for you. It's a gift. Here you go. Hope you're gonna like it.
Thanks.
Lollipop bona man. Yesterday ke zamile ufonela then ka text azange reply di text tsaka. Nekele worried nje.
Uyangiblame for yonke into eyenzekile after yonke lanto eyenzekile endlini yakho?
No. Ako blame uthatha gore nekele worried at least utla bon send as a text bon tsoro shapona cause ape wa tlilo tla le go ntlong ya gago.
Endlini yami awukwazi endlini yami.
Emanyana akere re go ntlong ya gago kere ke batlile tla go ntlong ya gago. Wait. A sa batla go tla go ntlong ya gago anymore?
Sorry man, iphume wrong. Bengingatsho kanjalo ngizama ukuthi
Believe me, you understand or mazamor. Sabi or ala what plans was in a more relationship in your arena. From now on, you're going to know and focus more relationship in your arena. Because if they decide to lorry, it's a family meeting. What to divorce?
divorce? Do not tell me. I think that is a
Listen, Skawara, Tobash.
Stop wasting my time. I know Ursha Marias is wrong, Lusanda. So show me Mwao's house.
You miss a lot of nonsense, guys.
Hey, don't say nonsense. My sister is missing.
Missing?
I haven't seen her for some days now. So I want to make sure if she's not there by Mwao's place.
No, I don't think Usanda is missing. No ways. Kuna ushanga utu brother yake?
Yes, I'm a brother. I'm concerned about it. I'm really worried about it. So if nothing happened to her, why she's not picking up my phone? Oh, I see. Maybe Mwa found out that she slept with his brother. Or
Utukwenzekeni? Ulusanda ulele nephethe kumhawu. Kanja ngeke kube ulusanda manje lo ngeke kube ulusanda. Hayi, abefika nini khona phela kumhawu? Sam sokubonisa isa.
Hi. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, eh? What's wrong with you? So,
It's fine. Ufitile ngayo. Yona itibalulekileyo. Sicela ungihage.
what? Seriously? You always wanted to do that, man. Is everything okay with you? I mean, like, your face doesn't look so fine. What's wrong?
Angikho right it.
Huh?
Mina nomama sibabene so sicela uzohlala nawe for a few days.
What? Serious? Stay with me. Okay. Baby girl, eh? Look, I love you. I loved you the first time I met you. But we're just starting our thing. Don't you think staying together will just ruin things for us? I mean, I think we should just take this step by step. Okay, is that?
Wait.
Sir.
Ucinga
No, it's not like that, but...
yazi into ucela ulibale nje yonke into endithathele kuyo. Ngiyacela. Yeke.
Seriously, are you just going... Can we just please talk about this?
Yona mbali ufunana la wena ngiyakutembisa wena mbali namba uzela uzombulala thengelela langa yazi ukuthi yini msabo
Alisanga uzokudubula or something. Cela ngizocela uxolo baby ngayo yonke into endayenzayo ngamanye. Ngathembisa ndingenza nantoni na ofuna uba ndiyenze ukuze ndilungise yonke le nto. Ndiyayazi uba wena nobuchilo anidate nizikhazini baby andazi uba nangene yintoni ngalaa mini andizazi. Cela ngixolele ngicela ungibizele nobuchilo khona ukuze ndizokwazi uxolisa kuye.
ya vele yabona le nto oyenzayo ngakalela mini le vele borongo kakhulu man. Wacishe wambulala umzukulu wami ngalethela se-onayo angisakwazi ukuthi umbani wena mbani kuthi uyazibuka manje ungibe ngathi ungumkhulu ukudotsothe mbali angisanahlanza manje ngenxa yakho ngisele ngehlanza isisodwa angisathembi mbali angisazi ukuthi ungubani sengiyakusaba ngisho ngokusanami ngiyakusaba mina nje
Baby, ngisenambani mazi isithando sami ndicela ngixolele. Uphuma nje kwami apha ndihamba nge-police station ndiyoripota yonke into eyenzakalayo ngalaa mini. Ndiyakucela isithando sami ngicela ungibizele ubuchilo khona ukuze ndizokwazi ukuxolisa.
ubuthilo ngebhadi lo yakekho leyo usahambile uyale entolo loyo uzokufuna izinto nyana ezongenza ukuthi ngibe right ngikhona ukuphulisa ubuhlungu obukhoseleko la empilweni yami.
Usho ukuthi wena baby ungixolele. Khona wayini ngingazange ngiye e-police station ngiyambambisa.
Uyazizwa ukuthi uthini manje mbali ngifuna ukuthi wenze into elungile into eright olohamba uyele e-police station ufike uyezibambisa ngale nto wayenzako la ulindeni ungaye wena e-police station uyezibambisa.
Xa ndiphuma kwisithando sami ndihamba ndiye e-police station ndiyakuthembisa ndizochaza yonke into eyenzakalayo ngalaa mini.
Vele kuzomele uhambe.
Athi into embala umntana wethu ukhulele ejele.
Umntana wethu mbali usho ukuthi upregnant wena ye